Good afternoon, Standard 4. This is Vibhuti, teacher. Today we are going to learn lesson number 13, multiplication part 2. So, in the previous class, in the previous standard, you have learned about multiplication, how to multiply one-digit number with your two-digit numbers. This year, we are going to learn how to multiply two-digit number with three-digit number, then three-digit number with one-digit number. Okay, so let us start. So, here you have a question. Multiply a three-digit number by one-digit number. Okay, so you have to multiply three-digit number with one-digit number. So your three-digit numbers are 347 and your one-digit number is 6. So whenever you have three-digit number, if you have to multiply three-digit number, then you have to make a table like this. That is, you have to make table for two-digit number, because there are chances if you multiply three-digit number, the answer can come of four-digit number, which can be coming under 1000. So keep in mind, whenever you are multiplying three-digit number, you have to make table like unit, tens, hundred and thousands. Okay, so let us start. Your first number is 347 multiplied by 6. So 6 sevens are your 42. So 2 you will write in the base and 4 you will carry over the next number. Okay. The next number is your 6 fours. 6 fours is your 24. But you have already carried over your 4. So 24 plus 4 is your 28. So 28, I will write here 8 in the base and 2 I will carry over the next number. Okay. Now next number is your 6 threes are. 6 threes are your 18. But don't forget to add this 2 in your 18. So 6 threes are 18 and plus 2 is your 20. So my answer is 20. That is why I told you first only, whenever you will multiply three-digit number, there are chances that your answer can become four-digit number. That is why you have to make table for thousand, hundred, tens and unit. Is that clear to you? Now come to the next number. So next number is your 429 multiplied by 5. So let us start with, again you have to make table like unit, tens, hundred, thousand. Now start with the multiplication. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. So 5 I will write in the base and 4 I will carry over on the next number. Okay, now my next number is 5 twos are. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10 and this 4, that is 10 plus 4 makes the number 14. So 14, 4 I will write here and 1 I will carry over on the next number. Okay, now next number is your 5 fours are 20 and this plus 1, that is 21. So my answer is 2145. Whenever there is carry over, don't forget to add that number. Okay. Now third one is your 456 multiplied by 9. Again, three-digit number, that is why we have to make table for unit, 10, 100 and 1000. So let us start with the multiplication. 9 6 are 9 6 are 54. So 4 I will write in the base and 5 I will carry over on the next number. Then next is my 9 5s are. 9 5s are my 45, and this plus 5 makes your number 50. So 0 here and 5 on the next number. Carry over the 5 on the next number. Now my next number is 9 4s are. 9 4s are my 34. 9 4s are 34, and this plus 5 makes your answer 41. So I wrote here 41. Now my answer has become 4104. 4104. Okay. Now same way you have to follow the same sequence. Now only the difference is multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. मतलब यहाँ पे दोनों भी हमारे जो numbers हैं, they are both are your 2-digit number. So they are much easier than this two. Only the one thing will add, I will tell you. So your first number is 43 multiplied by 21. 43 multiplied by your 21. Now I will start with first 1. Okay. So 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. I wrote here 3. Then is my 1 4s are. 1 4s are 4. So I wrote here answer 4. Okay. Now next is I will take this now number 2. Now I will take this digit 2 number, that is 2 3s are. 2 3s are 6. So now wherever is your unit place, leave that place. Okay. जब आप सेकेंड नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आपका यूनिट प्लेस एम्प्टी रहेगा. आप क्रॉस करो या 0 लिख लो. दिस इज योर चॉइस. आपको 0 लिखना है यहाँ पे तो 0 लिखो. क्रॉस साइन डालना है तो क्रॉस साइन डाल दो. इट इज ऑन यू. सो आई एम राइटिंग योर क्रॉस साइन. सो I left when my second digit number is multiplying, I left my place under the 3 empty cross. Okay, now 2 3s I wrote here is 6. So go on 10th place. Under the 10th place I will write here 6. Then next is my 2 4s are. 2 4s are. 2 4s are 8. So I wrote here answer 8. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to add this to जो भी आंसर आपको मिला है, add this to numbers. So 3 plus 0 is your 3. 4 plus 6 is your 10. So I borrowed here 1. So 8 plus 1 is my 9. So my answer is 903. Okay, now let's move to the next number, that is 63 multiplied by 36. Now your first number is 6. Okay, so here I will write 6 3s are and 6 6s are. 6 3s are my 18 and 6 6 is my 36. 6 3s are my 18 and 6 3s are my 18 and 6 6s are my 36. So let us start with 6 3s are 18. So 8 here and 1 I will carry on the next number. Then is my 6 6s are 36, but I borrowed here 1, so my answer becomes 37. 36 plus 1, 37. So my answer for this first digit is 378. Now I will take the second number, that is 3. Okay, so second number 3 is 3 threes are and 3 six are. Okay, now 3 threes are 9 and 3 six are 12. Okay, so 3 six are 18. I'm sorry, 3 six are 18. Okay, so my 3 threes are ये आपका आंसर हो गया, राइट। नाउ मैंने जैसे बोला था कि यूनिट प्लेस के नीचे जो हमारा सेकेंड डिजिट हम जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तब उसके आंसर के लिए यूनिट प्लेस की जगह आप छोड़ देंगे। ओके, देन 3 थ्रीज आर 9, उसके बाजू का जो बॉक्स होगा उसमें आप लिखोगे 3 थ्रीज आर 9 एंड 3 सिक्स आर 18. So my answer is 8 plus 0 is my 8, 7 plus 9 is my 16, and 8 plus 1 gives me 9 and 1 upon 1 0 में से हम 1 प्लस करेंगे तो 1 ही रहेगा। तो माई आंसर इज 1968. ओके, नाउ माई नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 50 multiplied by 34. 50 multiplied by 34. So first of all, take this 4 zeros are and 4 fives are. 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 45. Okay, so let's start. 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are your 45. Okay, 4 fives are my 20. 4 fives are my 20. So 4 fives are 20. So this is your answer for the first digit. Now I will go to the next digit, that is 3. So 3 zeros are my zeros. ये empty रखना है आपको please. 3 zeros are my zeros and 3 fives are 15. Now you will add these two numbers, that is 0 as it is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 5 is your 7 and 1 as it is 1. So answer I got is 1700. Is that clear to you? I'm sorry. Is that clear to you? Sorry. Now next part is my multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. अब यहाँ पे आपका 3-digit नंबर है एंड यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2-digit नंबर. ओके, एंड सेम पैटर्न जो हमने पहले वाले इसमें किया था सेम पैटर्न है. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ 5 fives are 25. So 5 I wrote here and 2 I wrote here. 5 threes are 15 plus 2 17. 5 twos are 10 और यहाँ पे मैंने 17 का 1 लिया था तो मेरा आंसर आता है +1 11. ओके, सी आई एम राइटिंग हियर टू मेक यू क्लियर. Your answer is, your sum is 2, 3, 5 multiplied by 45. So let us start. Now 5 fives are my 5 fives are 25. So my 5 here and 2 here. Then 5 threes are 15 and this plus 2. 5 threes are 15 and this plus 2, 17. 5 threes are 15 and plus 2, 17. So 7 I will write here and 1 I will carry over. Now 4 twos are 10 and this plus 1. 4 twos are 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. So answer for this first digit is 1175. Now I am going to start with the second digit 4. So make a cross or 0 on the unit place of your number. Now next number is my 4 fives are 20. Okay, and I will borrow here 2. 4 threes are 12 and 12 plus 2 is your 14. So 1 again here borrow. 4 twos are 8 and plus 1 here you have 9. So now you have to plus this both numbers, that is 5 plus 0 is your 5, 7 plus 0 is your 7, 1 plus 4 is your 5 and 1 plus 9 is your 10. So answer I got is 10575. Is that clear to you? Now let us take the second one. Second one is this was your first one. Now second one, 3, 2, 8 multiply by 52. Okay, now 2 8s are 16 plus 1, carry over 1. 2 2s are 4 and this plus 1. 4 plus 1 is your 5. 2 3s are 6 as it is. Okay, so for the 2 multiplication I got the answer 656. Now I will come to this number. So cross on my last number, below the last number. Now 5 8s are 40. So I will 4. So 5 8 5 2s are 10 and this plus 4 is your 14. Okay, and 5 3s are 15 and plus 1 is your 16. 6 5 6 6, don't forget to write plus here. 6 plus 4 7 8 9 10, here 1 7 and 1. So answer I got is 17056. Okay, hope you have understood this. Now let us come to our next word problem. Okay, now word problem, you have done it in the previous class, word problem for the multiplication. Now here, find out the total cost of 4 shirts, each costing rupees 475. मतलब यहाँ पे आपका टोटल कॉस्ट 4 शर्ट का कॉस्ट, एक शर्ट का कॉस्ट है यहाँ पर 475. तो ऐसे आपको 4 शर्ट का प्राइस फाइंड आउट करना है. So the cost of one shirt, this you have to write like this. The cost of one shirt is rupees 475 and therefore cost of 4 shirt is what? So I will multiply here 475. As I told you, this is 3-digit number. So you have to make a table for 4 digits. So and what you have to find out? 4 cost of 4 shirts. So multiply by 4. So 4 5s are 20. 0 here. 2 carry over here. 4 7 7s are, and this 2. No, don't forget this 2. 4 7 are your 24 and 27, and plus 4 2 is your 30. 4 4s are 16, and this plus 3 is your 19. So answer I got this as 1900. So cost of 4 shirts are rupees 1900. Okay. Next is your Amina Bai bought 8 crates of apple, each costing rupees 250. How much did she pay all together? मतलब अमीना बाई ने एप्पल्स की 8 बॉक्सेस लाए. क्रेट्स मतलब बॉक्सेस. 8 क्रेट्स लाए एंड ईच कॉस्टिंग मतलब एक बॉक्स का कॉस्ट कितना था 250 और उन्होंने कितने लाए 8 बॉक्सेस. तो 8 बॉक्सेस पे उनको कितना पैसा देना पड़ा. दैट इज यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 250 multiply by 8. That means you have to multiply 250 multiply by your 8. So 250 multiply by your 8. So 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, 4 here and 0 here, 8 2s are 16, and this plus 4 is your 20. So answer I got is 2000. That is, here you have to write the cost of 1 crate of apple is rupees 250. Therefore, cost of 8 crates of apple is 2000. So I got the answer after multiplication is 2000. Therefore, Amina Bai paid rupees 2000 all together. Okay, this was your word problem regarding your multiplication of 3-digit number with 2-digit number, then 2-digit number with 2-digit number, and then 3-digit number and by 1-digit number. Hope you have understood. I explained you about multiplication. Thank you.